guys, Hannah and Mike here with Delta. If you're like us, you probably own some sort of connected home speaker like Amazon Alexa or Google Home. We use ours for all sorts of stuff, like to play music and
set cooking timers.
Yeah, we even use ours to check the weather.
And now thanks to Delta Faucet's VoiceIQ technology, we can even use it to control the kitchen faucet in our home. Pretty cool, right?
You may be wondering why you would ever need to do that, but if you think about it, the kitchen is actually a really great place for some hands-free help.
Exactly. Now, think about how many times your hands have been either full or dirty. This way, if you want to save a little bit of time and mess, all you have to do is ask Amazon Alexa or Google to control the faucet for you, and boom.
We're going to demonstrate some of the skills of Delta Faucet's VoiceIQ technology, like the newly enabled hand washing skill.
Yeah, check this out. Alexa, ask Delta to wash my hands.
The water will come on, allowing you to wet your hands, grab some soap, lather for 20 seconds, then the water will turn back on for 10 seconds, allowing you to rinse.
Now my hands are totally clean, and the best part is I never even had to touch the faucet.
One of my favorite features is that you can ask Delta to dispense any amount of water that you need. So when I'm cooking and I need water, I don't even use a measuring cup anymore, but just to show you how cool this is.
Alexa, ask Delta to dispense 1 1/2 cups of water. Perfect every time.
Yeah.
Now, one of my favorite features is the ability to set custom amounts to fill certain containers. So your favorite water bottle, or our dog's bowl, or even a coffee pot. Alexa, ask Delta to fill my coffee pot. So easy. There's even a feature that can help you warm up the water. So, as you can see, there's a bunch of different ways that VoiceIQ technology can really help you get the most out of your kitchen faucet.
And just like Delta Faucet's Touch 2.0 technology, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. We hope you love yours.